welcome back. Okay, well, I don't really want to be faffing about with this too much, so let's just pull that one down so it's through there. Where's this one? It's about there. Let's pull that down as well so it's extruding out. Let's have a quick look at that there. When we apply the turbo smooth again, that will subdivide that face there, so I'm not too worried about that one at the moment. Right, underneath, let's have a look. Really, what I need to do is put it into edge mode and just start selecting these edges along here. And that one. Then pressing the shift key, let's drag it out and place it about there. So it's running through the center section of the fuselage. Let's go into bottom view, B. Deselect them into vertices, and I'm going to just start straightening up these for the time being. And there's one down there. Let's pull that across. Let's have a look. Did we miss one out there? I think we did. Or did we? Have a look at that in a moment. Let's go into perspective mode. Have a look inside, see if we did. Just click on that so we can pivot around it. And zoom in a bit. No, I didn't think we... There they are. So, if we just grab those vertices and down through the fuselage, one, another one there, there it goes, final one there, and down. If we come back anymore, yeah, there's just one there. Let's push that down. Go back around here, one there. Push it down. Now let's go to bottom again, so that's B. I think we did miss one, you know. Not to worry. Into edge mode, select that edge, press shift, let's pull it out. I'll take it to there. Vertices, Control Alt middle mouse key. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go down to target weld. Target weld, that one to that one, that one to that one. That resolved that situation. Switch target weld off, and let's just pop back out. So it is that little bit at the front there we can see, but as I say, once we've applied an additional turbo smooth, it should be fine. So let's bring that down. In fact, why not apply one now just to see what it would be like. That reminds me, let's configure show buttons. I actually turned these off for something else we were doing earlier. Let's have a look. Turbo smooth. So we've applied an additional one. Let's just grab the vertices around there. Well, we can't. Tell you what, I'm going to collapse this. I think we can get away with it now. Vertices. Let's have a look inside. There we go, you see. there's additional vertices there, so we can pop in and just start to shape that, whether I do it now or a little bit later on. I don't want to be messing about too much at this stage, and you can basically see what it is that we've been doing. Let's take that down there, try that one, down through there, that one down to there, and we've got these here, haven't we? One there, one there, one there. Let's have a look underneath. So we can see we just need to shape that around there, but it's no big deal. Overall, the shape of the wing is quite good. I'm pleased with that, and we are getting to that stage now whereby we know that we can straighten that up, so when it comes to doing a mirror, everything on this side will be replicated on that side and we can weld it all together. But that is a little bit further down the line because we've got quite a bit of work to do. We have the undercarriage to model in and various other things. We have the machine guns, things like that, and then we can do a mirror. Okay, yep, I'm quite satisfied with that for the time being. Having said that, let's hide the fuselage for a while, so I'll just hide that, and this gives us a better view of this. Control Alt middle mouse key to zoom into it. Let's rotate around. It's not looking too bad. Let me just click on that middle one, then we can pivot around that. We may need to insert a cut along there. Now let's just select all those vertices there, and go down. Have I passed it? Nope, not yet. I know what I need to do. Pop in. We collapsed it, and collapsing it the way we did by clicking on the turbo smooth when it was in the stack actually converts it to an editable mesh, and of course what we want is an editable poly. So click on convert to editable poly, and now if we go back in, see it all looks the same, but it comes down to what is available to us. Now we have our make planar X, Y and Z. So if I go back to vertices, they're all selected, and I say make planar on the X, nope, not the X axis. We'll try the Z. That straightened it up there. Has it kept the shape? It has. So it's kept that nice curve that comes around and onto there. What about the rest of it? You know, that's looking damn good. So great. I think we have accomplished modelling what I regard as being the hardest part of this model. Let's just come out for a moment. We'll try something. Take it off the vertices, remove F4, and we'll try a mirror. On the x-axis, let's say copy, OK. And what we need to do is move this across. We'd have it lined up there. I'm not going to join them together, but we can begin to see. Let's unhide the fuselage. Well, it's starting to get there. It really is. And that looks good on this side as well. If we just zoom in there. Obviously we didn't copy the flap or the aileron, but as far as everything else, that's looking very, very good. Excellent. Okay, well, mindful of the time, we'll continue this in the next tutorial. Hope you've enjoyed it so far. I'll catch you then.